Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and taking care of yourself. Friends, till now we have understood about the addition using finger count by counting objects, addition on abacus, and number line 2. So, friends, today we will practice some more addition story problems, including sentences, genders, number names, and transport. Let us read first addition story problem. A boy has 23 trucks. A girl has 13 trucks. So friends, let us find total number of trucks they have. So to solve this addition problem, we can use two ways, either horizontal addition or vertical addition. But friends, do you know what is horizontal addition and what is vertical addition? Horizontal means a sleeping line. In this type of addition, the numbers are written side by side. Numbers एक दूसरे के बराबर में लिखे होते हैं and added in a horizontal manner, or we can say we add numbers in a straight line. For example, 2 plus 1. Here we will put addition sign in between two numbers and the answer is written after the equal to. So as you can see, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and it is added in a horizontal way. Vertical addition means a line in the standing position is said to be in vertical. In this type of addition, the numbers are written one below the another and addition symbol is put on the left side and the answer is written below like this. So friends, let us try to solve this addition problem in both horizontal and vertical way. And also you can observe here both masculine and feminine gender, and they both have some trucks, and we have to find out total number of trucks, and we know that truck is a land transport. Let us find 23 plus 13 is equal to. Friends, let us first add in horizontal way. 23 plus 13 is equal to. So while doing horizontal addition, first we will add the numbers which are on ones place. So let us write the places of the numbers. In 13, this 3 is placed on ones place and 1 is placed on tens place. Similarly, here in number 23, 3 is placed on ones place and 2 is placed on tens place. So first we will add ones place number, and here also we will write tens and ones. So when we add ones place digits 3 plus 3, so we know 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So we will write 6 below ones place. Then we will add the numbers present on tens place. So numbers present on tens place are 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this way we can solve the problem. 23 plus 13 is equal to 36. 36. And this is the horizontal addition. Same thing we can do in vertical way. See, first when we do vertical addition, we always write tens and ones above the numbers. And then we will write the first number. A boy has 23 trucks. So we will write 23 here. And below that we will write the second number. A girl has 13 trucks. So we will write the second number below. And after that we will make a sleeping line and put addition symbol here on the left side. And again first we will add the numbers present on ones place. हमेशा हम ones place से addition start करेंगे. We will never start addition from tens place. So 3 plus 3, again it is equal to 6. How we can add 3 plus 3? 3 in our mind and 3 on fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer here? 6. Now we will add the numbers on tens place. 2 plus 1. So 2 is in our mind and 1 on finger. So 2 plus 1, 3. So again we will get the answer 36. So this is the horizontal addition and this is vertical addition. So total number of trucks are 36. Let us read another word problem. A prince has 33 chariots. A princess has 26 chariots. So, total number of chariots they have. In this addition problem, prince is a masculine gender and princess is a feminine gender. Chariots means rath and chariots moves on land. So, it is a land transport. Now let us find total number of chariots both prince and princess have. So here we have to find total of 33 plus 26. Let us do it in vertical way. For solving this, first we will write tens and ones above the numbers. Let us write the first number. A prince has 33 chariots. So this way we will write 33, 3 tens and 3 ones. After that a princess has 26 chariots. 2 tens and 6 ones. And we will put addition symbol here and a line. So first we will add numbers on ones place. So here 3 plus 6. Let us keep 6 in our mind and 3 on fingers. So 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. After that we will add numbers on tens place. So 3 plus 2. 3 in our mind and 2 on fingers. So 3, 4, 5. So here the total number of chariots are 59. Total number of chariots are 59. Friends, I hope you have understood the way of doing addition, horizontal addition and vertical addition. So let us do one activity. In this activity, first we will frame sentences using the given chits, and after that we will solve the addition problem. So let us begin. Friends, in this activity we have few numbers here, some vehicles are there and some genders are there. So, what we do in this activity? First, we will frame the addition problems, and after that we will solve them by doing vertical addition. So, to create a addition problem, first we will take out some vehicle which are similar, like we have cars, buses, ships. So let us take first buses. So here I have taken 11 buses, 37 buses. Now what I will do, I will take one gender from here. Let me take aunt. So friends, we know that what is this? This is aunt, and aunt is a feminine gender. Now, can you tell me what is the opposite gender for aunt? Yes, it is uncle. Uncle. So, uncle is a masculine gender. Now we have some numbers and vehicles, and we will frame sentences like my aunt has 11 buses. So here we have frame one sentence. My aunt has 11 buses. Similarly, my uncle has 37 buses. Now, total number of buses they have. We have to calculate total number of buses they have. First, we will put number 1, and here we will put tens, and here ones. So, aunt has 11 buses. We will write here 11, 1, 10 and 1 ones. After that, uncle has 37 buses. What we have to do? We have to find out the total. So we will put addition symbol, and first we will count the ones place digits. 7 plus 1, 7, 8. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then we will count tens place digits. 3 plus 1, 3, 4. So total number of buses they have 48. Let's do the second one. Here let us take ships together. So we will take out ships and one gender. Let us take king. So now we have king, 25 ships and 24 ships. So to frame sentences, let us find out the opposite gender for king. Can you tell me what is the opposite gender for king? Yes, it is queen. So here a king, here we will use articles a, because king कोई हमारे relation में नहीं है, so we will not use my. A king has 25 ships. A queen has 24 ships. Now we have to find out total number of ships they both have. So we will write number 2 here, and again we will write tens and ones. So first gender was king. A king has 25 ships. So first we will write the first number 25. 2, 5, 25. Then a queen has 24 ships. So we will write the second number, then put addition symbol, and then we will add them. So first we will add ones place digits. 5 plus 4. Keep 5 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then 2 plus 2. 2 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So total number of ships are 49. Let us do the third one. Here, friends, what is left with us? 12 cars, 7 cars, and father. Let us try to make sentences. Father. What is the opposite gender for father? Yes, it is mother. So, we will keep mother here, and now let us frame sentences. My father. फादर में ए नहीं लगाएंगे क्योंकि वो हमारे हो सकते हैं. फादर और मदर हमारे हो सकते हैं. सो वी विल से माई फादर हैज 12 cars. My father has 12 cars. My mother has 7 cars. And when you will frame sentences, you have to be attentive that first letter or beginning letter of the sentence would be capital and it ends with a full stop. So my father has 12 cars and my mother has 7 cars. Let us find out total number of cars both mother and father have. So here we will write number 3, and again we will write tens and ones. And after that we will write the first number. My father has 12 cars. So we will write 12 first. And after that my mother has 7 cars. Now where I will put 7? Here or here? We know that 7 is a single number. So 7 ones. 7 को हम कैसे read करेंगे? 7 ones. So it will come below ones place. So we will write 7 here. And then we will put addition symbol, and after that we will add them. So 7 plus 2. 7 is a big number. Keep it in your mind. And 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And see, nothing is there below this one. So we will assume that here 0 is there. So we can write 0 also. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Whenever we add any number to 0, we will get the same number. So what is the total here? 19. So total number of cars are 19. So friends, I hope you all have understood the addition problems and also how to frame addition problems and solve them. Friends, do all the addition problems given in the activity in your math notebook. Bye bye friends.